finally, liquidations. And in liquidations, what I mean is that, are you going to buy an income producing property, go to a bank and get a loan and just have that property and hold on to that property forever? Or are you going to hold on to it for a couple of years and you're going to sell it, or 1031 exchange it, or owner finance it, right? So that's the question, is like, do you buy and hold it? Do you 1031 exchange it? Do you owner finance it? Just like I'm about to buy a facility and he's owner financing it to me, we also are open to owner financing our facilities to other people when we are ready to sell them, right? Because owner financing is probably one of the best ways for you to make passive income. Passive income, remember, because you're just the bank, you're the lender, and lenders are the ones that make the money. Lenders are the ones that make the money in real estate, okay? Okay, owner finance, 1031, owner exchange, refi out, cash out refi is what I'm talking about, cash out refi. You could refi or cash out refi. So this is part of liquidations, right? This is to the point where now it's up, it's running, it's making money. I got a P&L, I got a balance sheet, I can do this with it. And that's where you want to be. This is your end goal, right? You want to be in the position where you can say, I'm going to just hold on to this sucker, or you know what? I'm going to make a couple $100,000 on this deal. Let me 1031 exchange this thing into a bigger deal, right? Or, I really don't want to buy any more property. I'm tired of properties. I'm going to just owner finance this thing and just move on, right? Which is exactly what happened to one of the facilities I just bought. We closed like maybe a month ago. Because I asked the guy, I was like, why are you owner financing? I asked him, I said, would you owner finance? He said, yeah, I do. I want to owner finance it. And I said, why? He's like, I just don't want to buy no more properties anymore. I'm tired of property. And I was like, man, I want to be you when I grow up, And so, so that is where, this is the end goal. This is where you want to be. You want to be in a position where it's like, I have these options here. Okay. So those are your 6 departments, right? This is your end goal.